Good day, sir. This title, criteria and damage stability. Damage stability refers to a ship's ability to remain afloat, stable, and safe after suffering damage, such as conclusion, guarding, or hull breach that cause flooding under the International Maritime Organization. SOLAS Safety of Life at Sea Convention, Chapter 122. 221 established the international standard for the ship subdivision and damage stability. Basic principle of damage stability determination. Watertight subdivision. Ships are divided into watertight compartments using watertight wellhead. Purpose: prevent water from spending throughout the ship, limit flooding to damaged compartments, maintain buoyancy and stability. The more effective the subdivision, the higher the ship's survival capability. Assume damage case. Navals evaluate possible damage scenarios such as side conclusion, bottom, goulding, grounding, hull penetration. For each damage case, they calculate which compartments are flooded, amount of flowed water entering, change in term, hill, and draft. Survivability after flooding. After damage, the ship must still remain afloat, maintain adequate stability, prevent capsizing, keep essential safety system operational, important factor check, heel angle, freeboard, residual stability, writing ability. SOLAS chapter 221 criteria in damage stability. Modern SOLAS use the probabilistic damage stability method. Required subdivision index R. This is the minimum survivability standard required by SOLAS. It depends on ship length, ship type, number of persons aboard. Attend subdivision index. This represents the ship's actual survival capability after damage calculation. The ship complies if A to R means if A is equal to greater than R, the ship satisfies SOLAS requirements. If A is less than R, the ship does not comply and design changes are needed. Factor affecting damage stability. Factors considered in calculation included loading condition, draft, center of gravity, metacentric high, loaded compartment location, cross-loading arrangements. Importance of damage stability. Damage stability is important because it protects passenger and crew, prevent sinking after accident, improve emergency survivability, ensure compliance with the International Maritime Safety Standard.